Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Sudden hiccups often start when irritants like carbonated drinks, very hot or cold beverages, or spicy foods stimulate your diaphragm or throat nerves. These triggers cause involuntary spasms, but sometimes hiccups happen randomly without an obvious cause. So diet and drinks can contribute to hiccups, but they're not the whole story.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.